let's take a look at regions that satisfy a few linear inequalities. Alright? This is an inequalities. Ax plus by plus c. This meaning greater or equal. Alright? Greater or equal to. Alright? These functions tell us that ax plus by plus c is greater or equals to 0. Then how about this? Ax plus by plus c. This means greater. Ax plus by plus c greater than 0. Then in graph, when it is greater or equals to, the line is straight line. Alright? Then for this, the line is dotted line. For greater is dotted line, for greater or equals to is a straight solid line. Then this one, how about this? Ax plus by plus c. This is smaller or equal to, right? So ax plus by plus c. This is smaller. Ax plus by plus c is smaller than or equals to 0. X plus by plus c is smaller than 0. And the line for in the graph is, this one is a straight solid line, this one is dotted line. Okay, there's few things we need to take note in inequalities. Alright? The y over here, over here, over here, and over here must be always at the left hand side of this inequality symbol. Okay? Left hand side. And then y must be always positive in order for us to do this kind of inequalities questions. Alright? Now let's take a look at these two questions. Alright? We are asked to find the shaded region for these two functions. Let's take a look at this one first. So 2x plus 3y greater than or equals to 6. Alright? So first step, let's find out x, y, 0, and 0. Okay, let's find out when x equals to 0, y is equals to how much? Alright? So 0 substitute in here, the whole thing becomes 0. So it becomes 3y greater than 6. Greater or equals to 6. So y is equals to 6 divided by 3 is 2. Alright? So how about this one? When y equals to 0, y equals to 0, this whole term is 0. So 2x is greater or equals to 6. So 2 moving to here become 6 divided by 2 is 3. So now we have these two values. Right? When x equals to 0, y equals to 2. When y equals to 0, x equals to 3. So let's find out the shaded region. So when x equals to 0, y equals to 2. So this is 2. This is 3. Y-axis, x-axis. Right? Notice the symbol over here. Greater or equals to 6. So this will be the straight line. And the shaded region is here. Alright? Next, let's look at these questions. 5y plus 5x plus 3y plus 15 smaller than 0. Alright? First step, do it same as here. X y, 0, 0. So when x equals to 0, 5x, this whole term becomes 0. And balance, we have 3y plus 15 smaller than 0. So positive 15 from left hand side go to the right hand side become negative 15. Negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. Alright? So when y equals to 0, 3y, the whole term becomes 0. So balance we have 5x plus 15 smaller than 0. So positive 15 moving to the right hand side become negative 15. Negative 15 divided by 5 will be negative 3. Alright? Then now let's draw the graph xy axis. Alright? When x equals to 0, meaning on y axis y equals to minus 5. So this is minus 5. When y equals to 0, meaning at x axis x equals to negative 3. This is negative 3. Alright? So notice this symbol, inequality symbol, this one is smaller. Alright? There's no or equals to. Therefore, the line over here is a dotted line. Right? Smaller, meaning below the line. So this is the area. So bigger means above the line. Smaller means below the line. And then notice the symbol, inequality symbols to decide, to determine whether it's a straight solid line or a dotted line. Now we are given 3 inequalities equations and we were asked to find the shaded region in these 3 inequalities. Alright? So first one, x is smaller than 5. Second one, y is smaller or equals to x minus 1. Last one is 4x plus 5y greater or equals to 20. Alright? First step. Let's find out the inequalities for number 2 because this one is very straightforward, very direct. Alright? Find this one. X 0 y. Alright? So when x equals to 0, y equals to negative 1. When y equals to 0, x equals to 1. Alright? How about here? X, y. 0, 0. Alright? So when x equals to 0, this term becomes 0. Then balance we have 5y greater or equals to 20. So 5 moving to here, we get 20 divided by 5 is 4. Then when y equals to 0, this whole term becomes 0. Then we have 4x greater or equals to 0. Then 4 moving to here become 20 divided by 4, we get 5. Alright? So let's take a look at this one. Y, x. First, let's draw x smaller than 5. X smaller than 5 meaning 5. Smaller, right? This is a dotted line, right? This is x smaller than 5. It's over here, left hand side of the graph. Second, inequalities. When x equals to 0 on y-axis, y equals to negative 1. Negative 1. When y equals to 0, meaning x-axis, x equals to 1. Alright, this is smaller or equals to, it's a solid line. Right? Third inequalities. When x equals to 0, y equals to 4. Y equals to 4 is over here. Alright? When y equals to 0, x equals to 5. So 5 is over here. So this is greater or equals to 20. So this is a solid line. Alright? So now, where is the shaded region for these three inequalities? Alright, take a look at y smaller than 5. Y smaller than 5 is this line. Okay, we name all the line first. X smaller than 5, this line. This is y smaller or equals to x minus 1. Here is 4x plus 5y greater or equals to 20. Alright? So first one, x is smaller than 5. So this line, this dotted line, smaller than 5 is this area. Alright? Everything on the left hand side. Then, second, y smaller or equals to x minus 1. Meaning, this bottom part. Alright? So now, the intersection part is here. This area is the intersection part, alright? This triangle. Then third one, 4x plus 5y is greater or equals to 20. The top part. So the three intersection area is here. So this will be the shaded region for these three inequalities equations. If you have any questions regarding this subtopic, feel free to comment below this video and we will further explain to you.